Guys, it's Bart from QBtech, and today I wanted to talk about a platform which you can use to learn IT skills, requalify, or maybe upgrade your IT skills. So the platform I'm talking about is Codecademy, and I've been actually using it for a while. I actually have my old photo from when I was a personal trainer in one of my old gyms, and it is quite nostalgic, but it just shows that it's been a while since I've started looking into IT and developing skills in that area. But the reason why I wanted to promote them is I'm actually not gaining anything out of this video. They're not giving me any money. The reason why I wanted to promote them and why I will keep supporting them is they're actually very helpful during current situation. They are giving away 5 pro memberships for each pro membership that is paid. So, and they're giving those memberships, those free memberships, to people who have lost their jobs. So they are helping those who need to requalify into different areas due to obviously difficult situation caused by the global pandemic. And cool. So that's the reason why I wanted to talk about Codecademy and why I want to support them. But let's give you a bit of an overview. Now, Codecademy is very interesting because it has its own sort of platform where you can put in the code that they want you to do and sort of run it, see if it works. So this way, and all of the tasks, you don't actually have videos and lectures and a bunch of text. You have a bit of text, a bit of information, a bit of introduction to certain commands when it comes to programming, for example, and then you have to practice it. You have to make a simple program, and then you have to make a more advanced program, and then more advanced one, and more advanced one. And as you go, you sort of master those basic skills, and you attain some extra skills along the way. So it's pretty good that way, and I found it really practical and really easy to use as well. So for people who are starting with Codecademy, it's basically split into sort of my course and practice. You can actually practice your skills, but my courses is what I would recommend. This is where you have all of the information. You have career paths, which are basically looking at computer science, web development, data science as a whole. They help you develop skill, they help you get fully qualified to do the job in career paths. They are very extensive. They take weeks, months, depending on how much time you spend on practice each day. But they are very in-depth and they're very advanced. So another thing is skill paths. With skill paths, you have it sort of broken down into smaller bits. You might look at something as something like building website. Yeah. So instead of becoming a full stack web developer, looking at the the web development program, you might want to just build a website. So learn a bit of HTML, CSS, JavaScript to be able to do that, and that's where you go to learn it. Yeah, you might be looking at building chatbots with Python, etc. So there are a few options here as well that you can choose from if you want a bit more guidance. And then there is also, I have skill paths twice. There you also have the courses. The courses actually have everything broken down into small little chunks, so to speak. You have particular things such as learning HTML, learning C#, learning Python 3, CSS, and so on and so on. And basically it helps you if you are, for example, looking at something particular. You might have, let's say, a set of skill in web development, but you might want to learn C#, and you can just go over here and learn C#. Why not? Another good part of the Codecademy platform is you can always reset the courses. So if you want a refresher, you just reset it, start from the beginning, rehash your skills. Another thing is you can always go back to the material you've already completed. So if you want to go back to something specific, you can always do that as well. But anyway, that's pretty much it from me, guys. I'll definitely give you more tech tips next week. In the meantime, go check Codecademy if you want to learn some IT. Give them a shout out if you want to, share the information. If you have friends that need to requalify, let them know, share this video, tag them in the video, whatever, as long as they just send them a link to codecademy.com. I don't care, as long as as you tell them if it really helps them get back on their feet. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you next time.